Hi.
Easy, no jumping.
Sorry. Hi.
Is it? Can you actually get to the falls right now?
Yeah.
Or is there?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah.
Coming in here?
Are you guys scared of dogs?
No.
So I'm gonna let her off the leash.
That's fine. That's totally cool. Hey, Roxy. Roxy. Hey, girl. Hey, girl.
Hi, Roxy.
Let's go this way. Hi, girl. Hey. Hey, girl. That's my foot. That's my foot right there. That's my foot. She's awesome. Yeah. Come here a lot?
Say again?
Come here a lot?
We've been here a couple times. He just tries to go to Albion.
What's that?
He tries to go to Albion, but it's closed. And you can't get as close unless I guess he's flying
I've
down
never
there.
been to this one here, so it's pretty nice.
Yeah, this one's dope.
I think you had a GoPro on here, but it's scary.
Yeah, that's dope.
That's dope.
Smile, Mira! One more!
That's super dope.
No, don't bring that shit.
Rocky, come. Hey. Over here. Rocky. Let's go. Let's go. Girl, you're trying to fucking get a heart attack. Go this way. You guys scared of dogs?
No. Do you mind if we pet him? Is that a GoPro on him?
Yeah.
Hello. Olha, tem GoPro aqui. Olha pra câmera, olha pra câmera.
POV.
Yeah, I'll share my shade.
Yeah.
She's so dark. So
Yeah.
you can, if you want to catch a photo, but
Yeah.
you can't gather.
Yeah.
Right. So I'll give you a couple of minutes to go down by the fence line.
Yeah.
You can get a couple photos of it. Parking along the edge, you would have gotten a ticket.
Yeah, no wonder there was accidents. Like without this fence, like there's nothing there. Like I'm like, that's insane.
I don't know if you know about Evelyn Dick.
No.
She was Hamilton's most notorious murderess. She beheaded her husband and then cut his body parts and threw him over the Lover Leap. Back in 1940s.
Yeah.
And then about 1949, a young couple, he decided he wanted to commit murder-suicide, so he drove his pickup truck over Lover's Leap. That's how it got its name, Lover's Leap. So he drove his pickup truck, he killed her, but not him.
Wow. Yeah. Thank you again. Thank you.